Morning everyone. Got the Fiesta, went and got it MOT'd again for the second time, and guess what? It is all passed. So now I'm walking to it to go and get the car and basically wash it in the rain. Not exactly a wise idea, but I want it gone, or at least up for sale for the weekend. So here it is. Looking a bit sad because it's so dirty. The Megane behind it is just sitting here doing my freaking nutting because it hasn't sold yet. It's been on there 2 weeks for about 2.5 grand. 61 plate, 118,000 miles. Why the hell is it not going? That's a good price, I think. So yeah, this is the Fiesta, as you guys already know. So we're jumping it now, and start this beast up. Turn that off. Right, so yeah, basically just thought I'd say that it is finally passed. Okay, what's that? Yeah, there you go. Sale agreed. Where's it gone? There you go, passed. Service brakes fluctuating. They're saying about this could be a bit warped, but it's not really nothing major. And I've still got the tyres, which I need to get done. They're literally like the smallest bloody thing in the world. Like, look, I'll show you now. Yeah, this is an advisory because it's got, where is it? That tiny bit there. If you can see, the shape's slightly different. Got a tiny chunk. It's that tiny. Can't really see it. That's an advisory on both sides. So the wheel bearing's done now, and just need to clean this out. So the plan is today, clean this all out. Put a nice new air freshener on it. I'm going to, because that one's a bit not very smelly anymore. Clean all this out because it's got loads of crap in it, and dirt, and as you can see, yeah, it's a bit minging. Not too bad considering the cars I normally get. And I'm going to wash it. I won't be able to polish it in the rain, but I'm going to wash it and get some pictures for it. So I'm going to crack on now and do that now. Hi guys, I thought I was recording and I just spent the last 10 minutes and jabbling on, going on about a load of bloody God knows what, and guess what? I didn't have it on record. Anyway, I'll start again. Right. Hey guys, if you like this content, then please like and subscribe, as it helps my channel quite a lot. And I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subs just so I can get monetized. Not that it's really loads and loads of money, but it's still my goal to be 1,000 subs within, like, I think it was a year, but especially if obviously my videos are rubbish, so now it's 2 years. Anyway, what was I going to say? Yeah, because 98% have not subbed to my channel and 2% have, which is pretty pants, to be honest. So if you don't like me, then it must just be me. Maybe my videos are rubbish. I can't do any good photography, or no, not photography, videography, or whatever you called it, because I'm not very good with the camera. I'm also rubbish on screen because I have no confidence on camera. That's why I thought I'd just do it and give this a go. Now I'm just going on and on talking a load of crap, but what a glorious day. Look at that, pissing down the rain as usual, doing my freaking nutting lately. I can't get anything done. I've got cars coming out of all over the place and I've got no way of doing it because it's raining all the time. Anyway, let's crack on. Mats are all in. Makes it look a lot better. Fresh mats. Things you got to do to make money. It's pissing down the rain, and I need to clean it. Right, my phone is getting absolutely soaked, so I shall pause this for a minute. Might have to stop this video in a minute because my phone's not waterproof. Just spray loads of the grease all over it already. Sponge time. I was just using knitting. Right guys, what do you think this is worth? 118,000 miles, service history. Just had the camber done about 80,000 or 90,000. What should I put it up for? Right, let's soak that, drain it all off, get the bubbles off, and take some pictures. There you go guys, all nice and shiny. So the one clean car ready for a picture. I bet everyone knows why I'm doing this. Right, that's a wrap guys, because I am absolutely bloody soaked. Look at the state of me. Well anyway, thanks for watching guys, and if you like all this content guys, just like and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.